actually.
Down.
You're watching Tosh Toys.
Okay, gift number 2. More birthday gifts.
No.
That came in the mail.
But it's not. It didn't have toys in it.
It doesn't have toys.
No.
What's it have in it? That is a big box.
No, nothing.
There's nothing in the box? It looks like there's something in the box.
Hey.
What is that?
It's a big Nerf gun.
Oh my gosh. This is by Best Choice Products.
Do this, James.
And it's called Blaze Storm. It's a battery operated soft bullet gun. Oh, it comes with darts.
Darts that stick to the wall.
Yeah. Wow, this is cool. We'll have to do a new test. Maybe we'll do a test show for this. And maybe we can shoot some of your action figures again. What do you think?
Yeah.
What? That thing is pretty cool.
It has a lot of good.
It's a lot of bullets. It goes on here. It slides on here somewhere. It slides on just like that. Oh, you gotta make sure the two go really slow. There you go. And you can look through that. Whoa, that's cool. That's cool. Ah, don't shoot, don't shoot, don't shoot. All right, you wanna try it? Open your bullets up. Okay, we got the gun set up and we put the batteries in, right?
Yes. Black
And-
chips.
Okay, show us. What is that? Okay, now we're gonna shoot some action figures to test out your new gun. Who do we got here? Who are these?
Robin, Iron Man, Draxx, and hulkbuster.
And what colors are they?
Red.
Red. What color's Draxx?
Gray.
Gray and red and blue. What color's Iron Man?
Red.
Red. And what color's Robin?
Black. Okay, so put them in.
Yep. Now back up.
I'm gonna shoot this. Awesome.
All you have to do is pull the trigger, remember. Is it stuck? Oh, no. Oh, down goes Draxx, down goes Iron Man, down goes Batman. Hulkbuster's too strong. We're gonna have to try again. All right, let's see if you can take it down, Hulkbuster. Hulkbuster's strong.
Why is he strong?
He just is. He's too strong. Oh, you almost got him.
We're doing this one more time because it was amazing.
It was amazing.
So we're going to just do all these since we are not doing hulkbuster.
He's too strong. He's too strong.
Yeah, we are not getting that action figure because that would be hard.
You know why Hulkbuster won't go down?
Why?
Because the Incredible Hulk's inside. The Incredible Hulk's in there and he's too strong. All right, turn it on. Let's see if you can knock him down. Hulkbuster wins again.
He wins.
He's got it. Hulkbuster's got his hands up. He's celebrating because he won.
Thank you for watching Tosh Toys. Hit the subscribe button.